Assalamu alaikum. Dear learners, how are you? Good evening, learners. After a long time, I'm with you. Hope you are safe and sound during worldwide coronavirus and doing the recitation of Holy Quran and as well as fasting during the month of Ramadan. Dear learners, I would not like to talk too much. Let's go and enjoy the class. Hope you might be benefited from the class. And I think today the class is very important and it might help you. Okay, dear learners, may I proceed on? Yes, I'm just started and dear learners, welcome from me and I hope you are well as like as the red rose, okay, red flower. And dear learners, and this is about myself. Dear learners, I would like to give you 2 or 3 minutes guess about the fixers. Then you may understand what am I going to do. Okay, look. Dear learners, there are 3 fixers. Okay, can you see? Can you see the fixers? Okay, in the first fixer, the sun is setting, and the middle one is a boy is jumping from the coconut tree, and there is simmering large expanse of sea, and there is a name that is prescribed or written in Bangla 1784, 1784, and that is maybe I think you have already got the portion. What I'm going to do? Okay, have you guessed? Yes. Our today's lesson is Kuakata. Today, I will describe about Kuakata, which is called Daughter of the Sea, Unit 8, Lesson 5. And the subject, learners. So, please open your pen and papers because the lesson that is selected for you is very important for your upcoming exam or when you will be a candidate of SSC exam. Okay, dear learners, let's go. Daughter of the Sea, Kuakata. Okay, why it is called Daughter of the Sea? I will describe everything for your better understanding. Okay, dear learners, it is beautiful Bangladesh, and it is a map of Bangladesh. Dear learners, look, there is written Borishal. Okay, and from Borishal, and you look at the cursor. Look at my cursor. Here you can see it is Kuakata, and from Borishal you may go there. From Dhaka to Borishal and Borishal to Kuakata you may go there. It is southern part of Bangladesh. Southern part of Bangladesh. অর্থাৎ বাংলাদেশের দক্ষিণে বে অফ বেঙ্গলের নিকটে আমাদের আজকের যে লেসনটি আছে সেই লেসনটি তোমাদের করা হয়েছে। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, I think if you give attention, full attention, I think you will be benefited. Okay. So before going to describe the things, I'll show the faces first para. What we learn after completing the lesson, we will describe the beauty of Kuakata. Then we will be able to tell about the history of Kua and the Rakhine, who are Rakhines, and about the Kua, and know about some new words and at the same time some synonyms. Okay. Dear learners, it is the faces, but all things are not shown here. After the faces, I will show everything to you. Dear learners, you may look at the faces. Kuakata, locally known as Sagar Konna. Then I will describe everything. It is a rare scenic spot located on the southernmost tip of Bangladesh. That means southern part of Bangladesh. It is 70 kilometers from Patuakhali district headquarters and 320 kilometers from Dhaka. And excellent combination of the fixers' natural beauty. I will show everything in the next slides. Look, the fixers' natural beauty, sandy beach, blue sky, and the shimmering expanse of water of the Bay of Bengal, and the evergreen forest makes destination. আমি যদি তোমাদেরকে এখানে ব্যাখ্যা করে নিই, পরবর্তী স্লাইড থেকে আমি ব্যাখ্যা করে তোমাদের শোনাবো। Dear learners, from the phrases we have learned, it is 320 kilometers from Dhaka and 70 kilometers from Patuakhali district. Okay, and it is known as Sagarkonna, then low. Kuakata is 30 kilometers in length. It is 6 kilometers in breadth. And it is 70 kilometers from Patuakhali district headquarters, dear learners. If you, most of you have gone to Cox's Bazar, St. Martin, but as you are from Kumilla, so Kuakata is far and far away from us, and the communication system is not so well from Kumilla. That's why it is very difficult for us to go to Kuakata. So now look, it is 70 kilometers from Patuakhali district headquarters, and it is 320 kilometers from Dhaka. So, this is the and then, dear learners, in the first we have read about what? Look, the scenery. Actually, in the first passage, we have described about natural beauty of Kuakata, and it has sandy beach. It has what? Sandy beach. Look, the place is covered with sand, and that's why it is called sandy beach. Those who have gone to Cox's Bazar, those who have gone to St. Martin, you have seen sandy beach. Okay, and so look at the natural beauty. Oh, what charming! What is shimmering expanse of water. If you go there and if you see the pictures, you might be enlightened with joy. Oh, what beauty of Bangladesh! Okay, and it is another blue sky. Okay, there you can see blue sky, and here there is also blue sky and evergreen forest. If you go there, you will see what? Evergreen forest দেখতে পাবে, and blue sky, sandy beach, natural beauty, and shimmering expanse of water. Shimmering expanse of water অর্থাৎ বিস্তৃত পানি। বলা হচ্ছে all these things make Kuakata a must sought after tourist destination. Actually, after looking this scenery, if you see the sceneries, you are hoping to go there.
713.
May I go there? I might be benefited. Okay, and actually, if I say you, okay, please, you might go because all the communication system is stopped. Okay, dear learners, as that's why it is called Kuakata is an excellent combination of what? Excellent combination of natural beauty, sandy beach, blue sky, evergreen forest, shimmering expanse of water that is described in your first para. And that's why it is called tourist destination. After seeing the scenery, you will propose to your father, please, father, give a chance to go to Kuakata to see the beauty, to see the scenery of the Kuakata, okay? And from second para, actually, from where the Kuakata comes, dear learners, look, the facade, Kuakata takes its origin from the story of Kua or oil, and I will show it, dug on the seashore by the early Rakhine settlers for collecting. Dear learners, you will know that the Rakhine settlers, Actually, who are Rakhians? Who are Rakhians? And recently you have heard about Burma or Myanmar, from where Rohingyas have come to Bangladesh, and the government has compelled them to come to our country. And in 1748, they were forced to leave their motherland by the Mughals. Okay, dear learners, listen the topics. They were forced. They were expelled. Look here, the by the Mughals. Kuakata is one of the unique spots which allow a visitor to watch both the sunrise and the sunset from the beach. Actually, if you go to San Martin, or okay, you may see the sunrise and the sunset in San Martin, but you may not see it in Cox's Bazar. But if you go to Kuakata, you may see the sunrise and the sunset, and that's why it is called unique spot. Okay, look, dear learners, from where the Kuakata is come from, and who are the Rakhians. Okay, dear learners, as our lesson is Kuakata. Okay, when the Rakhian, look at the fixers. Look at the fixer. When the Rakhians came to Kuakata, they had no pure drinking water. Okay, and that's why they dug a oil. They dug a oil of কুয়া। দেখো তোমরা এখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছ এখানে কুয়া কি করা হয়েছে। এখান থেকে আমরা আমাদের সময় দেখেছি, আমাদের গ্রামেও এক সময় পানি ছিল না, আমরা কি করেছি, পানির জন্য আমরা কুয়া থেকে পানি তুলেছি। When the Rakhine came to Kuakata, they had no pure drinking water, and that's why to get pure drinking water, they dug kua or oil. And look at the fixer, they are collecting water, and that's why it is the original history of Kuakata, and that's why its name is kept Kuakata. Dear learners, is it okay to you? Is it okay? Shanjida, can you listen to me? Shanjida, can you listen to me? Yes. তাহলে কেন কুয়াকাটা নামকরণ করা হয়েছে তোমরা নিশ্চয় বুঝতে পেরেছো। আমি আবার বলছি, when the Rakhine came from Myanmar, when they were expelled, when they were forced to come to Bangladesh by the Mughals, they came by boat and they started their livelihood in Kuakata, but they at that time it had no name, so they dug oil and kept its name Kua. Okay, and that's why the name has come from Kuakata. Look, the name Kuakata takes its origin from the story of Kua oil. Rakhine settlers used Kua for collecting drinking water. Okay, dear learners, is it clear to you why its name is kept Kuakata? Is it clear, dear learners? Okay. And a specialty of Kuakata. Dear learners, in the second para we have read, you can see the sunrise, okay? And you can see the sunset, sunrise and the sunset. You can see it from Kuakata, but you may not see it from where? You may not see it from Cox's Bazar. That's why it's slightly different from Cox's Bazar. So I'm inviting you to go to Kuakata because you may see the sunrise and the sun sets, okay? And that's why it is unique. Dear learners, and from Kuakata, from Kuakata, people can watch both the sunrise and sunset. And third para, dear learners, it is called a virgin beach. It is called a virgin beach and a sanctuary for migratory winter birds. During winters, thousands and thousands of winter birds come to Kuakata, and the birds think that it is a heavenly place. It is a safe place for them, and that's why it is called sanctuary. After the topics, I will show it through the word meanings. Okay, what is the meaning of sanctuary? What is the meaning of migratory? Fishing boats, okay? Fishing boats flying in the Bay of Bengal with colorful sails. Okay, so many colorful sails, surfing waves, and the lines of coconut trees add to the different colors of Kuakata. So, if you see the fishing boats and colorful sails, surfing waves, it's a heavenly place. If I get the chance, I would go there. Okay, dear learners, and look at the indigenous culture of the Rakhine community and the 100-year-old Buddhist temples. 5 years ago, 5 years ago, I myself went there, and actually I enjoyed the beach very much. Okay, so the indigenous culture of the Rakhine community and the 100-year-old Buddhist temples. Actually, the Rakhines live there, and there is an 100-year-old Buddhist temples, and that's why there is a mela, there is a fair. After I will discuss it, and all this tradition and cultural heritage of this area. Okay, now we have got such beauty of Kuakata. Okay, look, আমরা যে ফেসিলিটি করে আলোকে এখন তোমাদেরকে এখানে আমরা ব্যাখ্যা করছি। ওকে ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, লোক ফিক্সার্স বিউটিফুল বাট ফিক্সার্স ওকে। আমরা একটু আগে যে ফেরাটি পড়েছিলাম প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আমরা সেখানে পড়েছিলাম কালারফুল সেন্স। ওকে, ইট ইজ এ fixer of colorful sails and looks surfing waves. Okay, do you like this? Do you like this? Yes. Actually, now we are very much bored living in our home, and we want to go to Cox's Bazar, we want to go to St. Martin, we want to go to drive and long drive. And if we get this scenery, we may be excited and accelerated. Oh, what a scenery it is, okay? And that is what is called surfing waves. It is called surfing waves. And coconut tree, okay? Look, actually, if you see that kind of scenery of coconut trees and large vast area of seashore, you will be very much delighted. Okay, dear learners, colorful sails, surfing waves, coconut tree. What is this? It is the fixers beauty of Kuakata. And all these things add to the vibrant colors of Kuakata. That means everybody may be attracted, may be delighted to go there. They will be very much pleased to enjoy the peace. Okay, dear learners, and that's why all things are combined for your better understanding. Okay, dear learners, look, what happens next? What do you see in the fixers? In the text, I have described about Rakhines and 100 years Buddhist temple. Look, and Rakhines and the Buddhist temples, and that's why there is a fair. There is a fair. Indigenous culture of the Rakhines and old Buddhist temple. Okay, dear learners, both indicate the age-old tradition and cultural heritage of Kuakata. Actually, in the previous slides, we have shown you why the name is kept Kuakata and its culture, why it is called the sunset and sunrise is seen from Kuakata. Its natural beauty is very attractive. Okay, all these things very much appealing to us. Okay, dear learners, we have shown you first para, second para, and third para, and there were some important words, the words that you do not know. Please write down in your pen and with pen, and I have written the synonym also. Okay, what is, do you like the scenery? It is very much attractive. I have tried to find out the attractive scenes for you, keywords. In your first passage, first para, we have got the word fixers. What is this? Look at the fixers and then fixers. The word is adjective. The word is adjective. And what is its meaning? Look, fixers means lovely, scenic, charming, beautiful, all at the synonym words. Okay? Look, whenever you will see the picture, you'll be delighted. Oh, what a beautiful scenery it is. Okay? So it is lovely, it is scenic, it is charming, it is beautiful. Okay? Look, what is this? Sandy. Okay? So look at the beach. It is sandy, and there is sea beach. Okay, sandy means what? Sandy means covered with sand, covered with sand, and that's why it is called sandy beach. Okay, dear learners, in the first para we have got the word shimmering. The word is very new to you, and I think you have never got the word shimmering. What is shimmering? Look, sparkling, glittering, gleaming. That means বাংলায় বলছি শিমারিক মানে হচ্ছে চিকচিক, অর্থাৎ যখন সূর্যের আলো সে কুয়াকাটার বিচের উপরে পড়ে তখন যে দেখো পানিটা ঝিকিমিকি করছে, এই ঝিকিমিকিটাকে বলা হচ্ছে শিমারিং। ওকে, শিমারিং মিন্স স্পার্কলিং, গ্লিটারিং। আমরা পড়েছি অল দ্যাট গ্লিটারস আর নট গোল্ড। চকচক করলে শোনা হয় না, এই যে গ্লিটারিং থেকে তুমি বুঝে থাকো, গ্লিটারিং মানে হচ্ছে চকচক করা। ওকে, shimmering means sparkling, glittering, gleaming. And in our faces we have got another word, evergreen. Okay, look at the tree. The tree is covered with leaves, and the leaves are very green, and the tree which is green all the year round is called evergreen. Okay, evergreen means having leaves that remain green all the year round. বুঝতে পেরেছো নিশ্চয়ই শিক্ষার্থীরা তোমরা? Okay, expel. Dear learners, in our passage we have read that the Rakhines are expelled. Okay, the Rakhines are expelled from where? From Arakan. And therefore, here it is a scene. It is a very simple scene. The expel means what? Expel means banished, officially forced to leave. Now think about the Rohingyas. They were forced to come to Bangladesh by the Janta or the Aung San Suu Kyi government. Okay, so expel means banished. Expel means officially forced to leave. Okay, and another word, homestead. আমি তোমাদের সহজ জন্য বলছি, homestead অর্থ হচ্ছে বসত বাড়ি, অর্থাৎ a house and the surrounding area of land usually used as farm. অর্থাৎ বর্তমান সরকারে বলেছে আমাদেরকে কি করতে হবে? খামার বাড়ি, অর্থাৎ একটি ঘর একটি খামার। এটা যদি বুঝে থাকো তাহলে সেটা হচ্ছে হোমস্টেড। দেখো এখানে, here there is a house and there are so many animals and there is cultivation, there is vegetation, everything, and that is called homestead. Okay, so homestead means farm. Homestead means farm or farmhouse. Okay, dear learners, we have seen rare. Actually, rare means uncommon. Rare means unusual, exceptional. That is not. Okay, dear learners, actually, with the people of Kumilla or those who have never gone to Cox's Bazar or St. Martin or Kuagata, we have never seen such waves. Okay, আমরা কেমন ওয়েভ কখনো দেখেছি? দেখিনি। সুতরাং it is rare. It is rare means uncommon, unusual, and exceptional. Dear learners, expanse. Expanse মানে হচ্ছে বিস্তৃত, বিশাল। এখানে দেখো যে দৃশ্যটি আনা হয়েছে, সে বিশাল সমুদ্র দেখানো হয়েছে তোমাদের জন্য, কারণ আমাদের প্যাসেজে এই শব্দগুলো একটু কঠিন এবং সবগুলো তোমাদের জন্য চেষ্টা করেছি যাতে করে তোমাদের শব্দটি মনে থাকে। ঠিক আছে? Expanse means what? Of an area of land, sea or sky. And coast. Actually, we have always heard the word coast. Coast means shore. Coast means beach. Coast means seaside. Seashore. Dekho, here it is a beach, and here is the water. So I think it is Cox's Bazar. Think it is Kuagata. And from the sandy beach, you may go to the water of the blue water, and you can enjoy. You can bath. You can do all these things what you like. Okay, and then another tradition. Actually, we are called Batemasa Bangali, and during the Paila Boishakh, actually we eat hilsa fish, and we also made different kinds of cake during when Paila Boishakh. Paila Boishakh. Take na, dear learners, traditions. Okay, what is tradition? Custom. It is a custom. It is a ritual, it is a heritage, it is a practice. Okay, that is going on from thousands of years ago. Slope, and you may get slope, and there is another word, slope means to have a downward or upward slant. আমরা একটা পড়েছিলাম surfing waves. Surfing waves. Okay. Then another is sanctuary. It is maybe the word maybe holy place or maybe safe place. Okay. And dear learners, in our passage we have described that Kuakata is a sanctuary for migratory water birds. Migratory birds. অর্থাৎ পাখিদের অভয়ারণ্য হচ্ছে আমাদের কুয়াকাটা। Look at the picture here. All the hairs are very much safe because there is no dangers and it is a sanctuary. Okay. So sanctuary means. Okay, ठीक है sir. Okay, dear learners, indigenous, and it is heritage. Heritage means custom, tradition, ritual practice, and devotee. Dear learners, as there is a 100 years Buddhist temples and the Rakhines. So the Rakhines and the Buddhists have a program, and that is called Maghi Purnima. And during each year, thousands of devotees come here to attend the festive Rash Purnima and Maghi Purnima. Okay, dear learners, devotee means follower. Pilgrim means what? Pilgrim means a person who journeys to a sacred place for religious reasons. Amader okhane competition e ache pilgrimage. Actually, with the Muslims go to Makkah and Medina during Hajj. Okay, that is called pilgrims. Look at the migratory birds roaming, traveling, or wandering. Surfing. Okay, dear learners, come. Still, I have described so many words and the passage. So, look the fair word. Where is Kuakata located? Maybe you may give the answer correctly. How far is it from Dhaka? In our passage, we have read that it is 320 kilometers from Dhaka. Why is it called Kuakata? Okay, dear learners, you know that when the Rakhines came to that place, they had shortage of water. Okay, and that's why they dug oil, and from that oil, it is called Kuakata. It is clear? Yes. Who are Rakhines? শিক্ষার্থীরা নিশ্চয়ই তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো রাখাইন কারা? এই রাখাইন হচ্ছে তারা যাদেরকে মুঘল সাম্রাজ্যের সময় 1748 সালে তাদেরকে কি করা হয়েছিল? এক্সপেল করা হয়েছিল। তাদেরকে জোর করে তাড়িয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছিল। তারা হচ্ছে রাখাইন। From where we can enjoy the sunrise and the sunset. নিশ্চয়ই it is from Kuakata and group work. What kind of similarities and dissimilarities do you find between Kuakata and Cox's Bazar? Sea beach? তাহলে আমরা কুয়াকাটা সি বিচ এবং কক্সবাজার সি বিচের মধ্যে যে সিমিলারিটি এবং ডিসিমিলারিটি আছে তোমরা নিশ্চয়ই এখন বুঝতে পেরেছো। কারণ কক্সবাজারে সূর্য উদয় দেখা যায় না, সূর্য অস্ত দেখা যায়। কিন্তু if you go to Kuakata, you can see the sunrise and the sun sets. It is the dissimilarities from Cox's Bazar. Okay, dear learners, write 10 lines describing the beauty of Kuakata. And dear learners, look, it is red crab. When I went to Kuakata 5 years ago, the beach is very much attractive for red crab, অর্থাৎ লাল কাঁকড়া। অর্থাৎ কুয়াকাটাতে লাল কাঁকড়া একটা বিচ আছে এবং তোমরা যদি সেখানে যাও সেখানে এরকম হাজার হাজার লাল কাঁকড়া আছে এবং তুমি সেখান থেকে এনজয় করতে পারবে। And this is all. Dear learners, okay, I'm going to my friends. Okay, sir. This is all. Dear learners, have you understood the passage? I think that is very important.
ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা, আমাদের সময় কম, আমরা দেখি প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, তোমরা আজকে দেখলাম অনেক পার্টিসিপেশন, অনেক খুব ভালো লাগলো এবং সামনে আমরা ক্লাস সংখ্যা অনেক বাড়াবো যদি তোমরা এভাবে ক্লাসে অংশগ্রহণ করতে থাকো। আমাদের একজন অতিথি আছেন এই মুহূর্তে, আমাদের রহমতুল্লাহ সাহেব আব্দুল কাদের, যিনি আমাদের শিক্ষা ক্যাডারে আছেন। এবং আপনার আজকের ক্লাসের অবজারভেশনটা বলেন, একটু নিশ্চয়ই দেখেছেন, বলেন।
Actually, Uh, Actually, what should I say? And I can't help appreciating Mr. Rahmatullah. What he has done, undoubtedly, it is excellent. And he applied all the method, all the pedagogical method for providing his best performance. And I think that credit also goes to you because you have organized this technological method so that your student may be benefited by this. And everything is fine. Everything is fine and excellent. And you are not only Shikha Board Model College, and this college should be the model for all the educational institutions in Kumilla. And you are the pioneer of this system. Technological, you applied this technology for the betterment of your student. Undoubtedly, this is nice and I appreciate it. And I pray to Almighty Allah so that you may touch your goal and all the students you have, they can make a good result, a brilliant result, and they may shine their life and they may use their knowledge for the development of Bangladesh. Thank you. This is my observation.
Thank you very much. Rahmatullah Sheikh কোথায়?
And especially I thank Mr. Rahmatullah.
Rahmatullah Sheikh কোন দিকে? Rahmatullah Sheikh কোন দিকে দেখি এবার উনি কি বলে?
জি স্যার শুনতে পাচ্ছি স্যার।
মিস্টার রহমতুল্লাহ, হ্যাঁ আপনি বলেন, আপনি ওনার অপিনিয়ন এবং ছাত্রছাত্রীদের উপর আপনার লাস্ট কি কমেন্ট?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Abdul Qadir sir. Actually, I did 40 days training from.
সাউন্ড পাচ্ছি না।
Yes, I also can't hear him. And I think that this sound has been muted. And I also can't hear him.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I did 40 days training from ASSTTI, and from there I have learned how to make content and what are the good topics, what are the ways to make a good content. And I've tried my best to follow it. And thank you, ASSTTI. Thank you, our teachers.
আমরা স্টুডেন্টদের একটু অপিনিয়ন নিতে চাচ্ছি। দেখি এই ওয়াসিফ আহমেদ, দেখি তোমার এটা কি ফার্স্ট ক্লাস সম্ভবত, আমি যতটুকু জানি। কেমন লাগলো বলো?
স্যার ভালোই স্যার, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। ভালোই স্যার।
আচ্ছা, আর কেউ কথা বলবা কিনা হাত তুলো দেখি, কেউ যদি কিছু বলতে চাও, তোমাদের কোনো অপিনিয়ন থাকলে বা কোনো সাজেশন থাকলে।
স্যার আমি একটু বলবো স্যার।
বলো।
ক্লাস ডিউরেশন স্যার কম হয়ে গেল না স্যার?
জোরে বলো।
স্যার ক্লাসের ডিউরেশন কম হয়ে গেল না স্যার?
এটা এরকমই, অনলাইন ক্লাসের চেয়ে বেশি করা যাবে না। অনলাইন ক্লাসের ডিউরেশন 40 মিনিট, এর মধ্যে 5 মিনিট চলে যায়।
Yes, not more than 40 minutes.
আচ্ছা, তারপরেও আমরা ক্লাসের সংখ্যা বাড়াবো ইনশাআল্লাহ। পার্টিসিপেশন বাড়লে সংখ্যা বাড়বে ক্লাসে।
স্যার এটা দুপুরে করা যায় না স্যার?
করা যায়, দেখি চিন্তা করে দেখি। আর কেউ কিছু বলবা তোমরা? আর তোমরা সবাই এই যে তোমাদের নাম এবং রোল নাম্বার লিখে নিবা। ভিডিও সবাইকে অন রাখতে হবে, হ্যাঁ সবাইকে ভিডিও অন রাখতে হবে। আর যারা এখনো আমাদের ক্লাসের বাইরে আছে, তোমাদের বন্ধু বান্ধব, তোমরা যে প্রক্রিয়ায় ইন করেছো এই সিস্টেমটা একটু বলে দিও, তাইলে আমাদের ক্লাস গুলো আরো ইফেক্টিভ হবে, পার্টিসিপেশন বাড়বে, টিচার উৎসাহিত হবে। তো কাদের স্যার অনেক ধন্যবাদ, আপনি আমাদের অতিথি হিসাবে এসে আমাদের শিক্ষার্থীদেরকে অনুপ্রাণিত করেছেন। রহমতুল্লাহ সাহেবকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ। আসলেই রহমতুল্লাহ সাহেব ট্রেনিং করার পরে অনেক ডেভেলপ হয়েছে, যেটা আমি লক্ষ্য করেছি। তো ঠিক আছে, আজকে আমার মনে হয় এখানেই আমরা শেষ করি। শুভরাত্রি।
জি, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।